What I really appreciate about my preceptor this semester is his evident passion in the healthcare world.
So one thing I really appreciate about my preceptor is she really helps me guide me through a lot of those scenarios that aren't so black and white, through different patient situations, and not just their symptoms or the history that they present with, but a lot of other factors too, like their social situations, a lot of psychological factors.
One thing I want to say about my preceptor, she is very dedicated to her patients, and for me, she's always challenging me every day with my critical thinking.
I was very nervous and apprehensive to start. And my preceptor was very understanding, very encouraging, and very patient. She was very receptive to my questions and very encouraging for me to build on my skills.
One moment that really stands out to me with my preceptor was we had a 16-year-old girl who came in with a chief complaint of chest pain. And when we delved a little bit deeper into her circumstances, it turned out that it was actually a lot of anxiety attacks that was surrounding her immigration status and what was going to happen to her. And what I really appreciated about my preceptor was that she didn't just provide her with, here's some community resources, let me hook you up with the social worker that's in-house. She really sat there and she held her hand and she had, really human interaction with her.
His interaction with patients has made me become the type of provider that not only listens to my patients' concerns, but really takes the time to get to know my patients. And I have noticed that by doing that, his patients often adhere to his treatment plans because he gets them to agree with the treatments that he recommends. And basically, by the time that he leaves the room, we're all one team that have all agreed on one treatment plan.
She gives patients the same treatment irrespective of the color of their skin, and that's what I take home every day. And she's a good listener.
Thank you to all of our preceptors. We really appreciate your time, your patience, your willingness to work with us. It really just makes a world of a difference, and thank you so much.
Thank you so much for offering your time to us, for answering all of our questions, and mostly for helping us grow into this profession. Thank you.